Italtau was founded by the Ravazzotti family in 1969. You want to add a little more detail around the group?
Indeed. So come home to South Africa. This is really the premium tile retailer in Southern Africa. Tremendous success story, and really has all of those different market tiered products. Remember CTM and the Ital tile at the top, all of the range.
Market cap here 14.2 billion rand, a PE ratio of 17.4 and a dividend yield of almost 2%. Not bad stats if you look at it at face value.
Great operation.
We don't own it in the hot stocks portfolio. Again, just indicating that cash build is our exposure into this space. Do you own this one?
Nope, not at all. It's small. It's not that small. I mean, it's what, 14.5 billion. It's getting bigger. Nice combination of imported and locally manufactured goods, and a bit of international exposure as well. And they cover all bases in the market. Italtile right at the top, CTM in the middle, and I've forgotten the name of the one at the bottom.
Yeah, I'm trying to look for it as well. Top T.
Yeah.
Top T, that's
so
what it is.
It's been very clever the way they've covered the entire market, and really this is a wonderful operation.
Let's have a look at the share price and see if it reiterates what you've said about a wonderful operation.
Strong. Look, they have delivered solid sales increases year after year. Wonderful. They've done the integration of the ceramic business. Remember, that was separately listed, and now it's kind of been incorporated into the business, including a sort of slightly complicated transaction recently. So that gives them the reverse integration, I think is the right term. That's where you can actually manufacture the baths that you sell. You do a little bit of local manufacturing and blending of the sanitary ware and bathware and so on in the mix.
Given the performance, though, of the stock, does it have more legs?
Oh, I think so. And it comes back to the original thesis, Bronwyn. People are always looking to beautify their homes. And if you look
especially in a tough economic environment.
Absolutely. And yes, at the top end, Italtile, it's expensive stuff, but it's beautifully crafted, and there's a ready market for this type of thing. So no, I think it's still very much.
Well, why did we choose cash build over Italtile?
Well, it's about that different market, isn't it? So we'll talk in a minute about cash build. Cash build is really about basic home improvement. But wait, I've got some important market research feedback here. So currently at home, my lovely wife and I are busy renovating the bathroom, right? So she goes off to the Italtile branch, which is on the corner of William Nicol and Peter Place here in Sandton, and is attended to by someone called Brenda Mpamu, who says my wife said that she's the best salesperson she's come across in years. Long hours available to, work with contractors, fantastic range,
Hang on
thoroughly
a minute.
impressed.
I need some disclosure here. Are you getting a discount on your bathroom because you are giving
All I
us
said to my
Brenda's
wife
name?
is we're going to be talking about Italtile on Hot Stocks. So what was your overall experience? And then she
I
sent
want
me
that
this lengthy SMS with like all of this information.
I want that name. I'm just going to double check that you're squeaky clean on this one.
Yes, you see, I wrote it down.
All right, let me just have a look at this. Brenda Mpamu.
Exactly.
Okay,
So
Brenda, I'm going to be giving you a ring just to check that we're not seeing anything under the table happening here with
Marion
Paul's
was going
bathroom.
to phone the branch and warn Brenda and Palmer that we were going to talk about her on television tonight.
Right,
so
Chris,
well done.
doesn't this sounds a little dicey to me? But anyway,
No,
can
all
we,
above board. Always convinced.
and I'm sure that this is actually going to feed into a hot for Italtile. Let's watch if this is what happens now. So I'm going to ask you first, Chris. Hot or not?
This is hot. I've been very consistent on this for a long time. Very hot stock.
Yeah, tremendous niche retailer, top of its game, still hot for sure.